Hello friends, welcome back to my video. Today, do you know what I made with Lego? I made my brand new fighter jet. This is the fighter jet. I named it the F-16-94 Turbo. It has a lot of features. It has an openable window, of course side flattening. We also have missiles like this. To control them, when you do like this, the missiles will go back. Also, I made it all by myself. Also, you guys might be thinking where's the jet engines, because actually this is the jet engine over here. The best part about my fighter jet is the missiles can move left, right, or when we twist it down like this, it could shoot down. And this is sideways. And of course you guys know, do like this and it turns back. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video.